Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV here at Enforce Tac 2026 with my buddy Fabian. We are talking about some new services and upgrade kits for existing HK platforms. Fabian, please tell our audience what we're looking at here this year.
Yeah, I think on the top, and especially speaking on the left side, we see, let's say, the old 1.5 magnification, which is, let's say, from the time of the development was state of the art. But what we now see is, let's say, an involvement of new buttstocks, extendable, you can also retract it. Then Picatinny rails on top, which allows you at the end also to include new red dot sights or any other solutions. Then we are coming up with an M-LOK solution on a handguard. That means the M-LOK also includes then the QD detach, which means for slings. Now there's also an adapter which you can attach to the buttstock. You see it now also here on the right. That means you have the quick detach solution available. In the past there was no grip or let's say texture on the pistol grip itself. That means on the left side we see it without texture, on the right side that's an evolution. And for sure, let's say also some additional items, just let's say the conversion to the NATO STANAG magazine well at the end. And what we are showing here, left is old, middle is a solution. It's a package. What could become interesting? It's an assortment of it, and on the side, then it's an evolution out of that.
Fabian, I have a rare G36 in the United States. You know, it's very hard to get a G36. I have one in the US, so I'll go ahead and give you a phone call about getting my performance upgrade kit. Just let me know. Now, what are we looking at for the 416?
Right, on the 416, we'll see on the left side, it's I would say an old version, even let's say with a bigger buttstock, let's say with steel mags, with quarter-rail handguard. What we have in our intention is, let's say, in combination with the weapon service, let's say in inspection, making upgrades, is now the slimline buttstock, which we can see on the left. And also here we have now introduced these quick detach solutions. That means you have the quick detach adapter, which you just fit into this slimline buttstock. We also have this new blade. That means you will find now everywhere this QD solution available. Also on top is this pistol grip, which has different side blades and also the rear blade, let's say, which you can really then modify it to yourself. Then charging handle, 45-degree sights, let's say as a backup sight, and then here on the bottom we are just presenting now the shot counter, which is currently, let's say, now currently new development, which we just brought up to the market now for the 416, as you can see it here, and that's now the evolution from, let's say, old state-of-the-art, but also now to coming to a modern assault rifle, which you see on the right, including different components.
And I was going to ask about that bolt carrier group at the bottom. You're saying that that's shot counter system? What is that?
So there's a solution inside. Therefore, we have to ask, let's say, technical guy as well to give you a further input if you would like to understand this. So at the end, let's say this is counting the rounds and also, let's say, defining between single fire and sustained fire. Okay. That's something what can come out, which is using the NFC technology. That's why we also have this pen in front of us to just, let's say, count the rounds and also, let's say, to set up there behind the logistic concept. I mean, that's the goal.
And the takeaway here, because we only kind of glanced over this kind of service system that you're doing, so is the idea, if I'm understanding correctly, like I have a military or I've got a unit and we're using the 416, we're using the G36, and we want to modernize those, and we also want to make sure that they're running properly. We send them to HK, and then we get the modernization kit, and then we get some services at the same time?
So we are setting up now in the new business line now, the service and training line, which is including, let's say, those weapon services, which we also have defined over, let's say, the core, smart, and elite packages. That means that's something, it's also for us now a service product, which the customer can just order from our side. For example, the core is just, let's say, general inspection of the weapon to get the current condition. Out of that, for sure, we will maybe recognize some repairs. The smart is including some regular exchange parts, which we see as preventive maintenance, what we have also presented there on this side. So that means a little bit, you can also compare it a little bit to the car. Let's say that's a standard inspection.
Oh no, I said, no, it's funny. I'm thinking it's like, this is like Best Buy, like picking up my warranty for my TV at Best Buy, but actually cool and not lame.
Right, and let's say going over to Elite, and now we can, let's say, really setting up a new, let's say, service partnership with our customers to always guarantee operational readiness. And I think you can see it here, the numbers are standing for years, but it's a modular system. That means every customer, he can play by himself however he wants it. Let's say it's a modular system because there are standards behind, and you just switch to the usage intensity or just to OEM support. So that's the goal behind. Also, very recently, we have developed or established a joint venture together with the company ProReta. It's called Taktikum. So it's a joint venture between the two companies. And what we see here now is, let's say, our new intention to have as a system partner and to have, let's say, the whole system delivery from our side, from the weapon over services, training, ammunition, from the ACE up to the training infrastructure, to offer a customer everything. That means from one hand, what we see here is, let's say, two base building solutions. That means that's a predefined solution, which you can then just use as a customer. Say, okay, I really like the layout, so can I buy it? Yes, that's possible. Here on the bottom, there's a shooting range which H&K just recently bought. It's in Germany, it's in the near of Berlin, and we are now modernizing it completely. So this will be our, I would call it, let's say, flagship store to present our capabilities from the weapon over the training up to the new facilities, together with our partner. You see Heckler Koch and ProReta Tactical, we just joined together, and I think that's also now a new approach to have it as a whole system supplier in the future.
That's incredible. Fabian, thank you for walking me through this. HK, if you're watching this video, just let me know when this is done. TFBTV will come over, try it out for you, do a little video. Guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from Enforce Tac 2026.